Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got the oil changed. The driver's side headlight was out, and the oil change with the full synthetic and the headlight and everything, $97. So $97 well spent. And I know somebody's going to be like, you should do it yourself. No. I haven't did my own oil change in years. It just doesn't make sense to get all greasy, dirty, having to jack the car up, get under it, mess with everything. No. Makes no sense. Now, I'm not saying if you like doing that, then by all means, do it. I don't. And I used to love working on cars. Not anymore. Not anymore. I would rather pay someone else to do it. I used to never drive a stock vehicle. It always had to be modified. The only thing I modified on my Toyota Tacoma was I put a 2-inch lip on the front. That was just a little spacer lip, because the oversized tires I put on there were rubbing. The only thing I'd do to this is put a dash camera in it. Which everybody should go out and buy a dash camera. A good one. The one that I have in here is called a Viofo. Viofo. It's a great dash cam. It doesn't matter with a stupid little suction cup that will fall off. It uses double-sided 3M stuff that stays on. Ready to go back home. I am tired. The Raceway Car Wash. That's a great car wash. If you're next to a Raceway Car Wash, go on their website, sign up for their newsletter or whatever. You get a free car wash. When we got back from our trip to Prescott Valley. The car had road salt and stuff all over it. I signed up for the car wash thing. Came here, got a free car wash. Had to get all that road salt and everything off. Yeah, I'm ready to go home. And like I said in a prior video, the windshield's gonna get fixed in August, because this windshield is expensive. We got to go to their shop and have it done, because right above where the phone's mounted is a big sensor panel, and they got to recalibrate all of that, because this car has got all the safety stuff. And I know people hate the safety stuff, but I freaking love it. Although the fact that it starts raining, I don't have to turn the windshield wipers on. It gets dark, I don't have to turn the headlight on, because that little ball on the dash, that's the auto headlights. If the car doesn't see another headlight shining at it, auto high beams. The only thing I wish this car had, well, it would be nice, is memory seats. But my wife likes sitting far back away from the steering wheel, and where she has a seat, it's totally fine for me. Yeah, there's a big sensor panel that got everything in it. And when we first got this car, my wife hated all of the safety stuff. Once you get used to it all, especially the blind spot monitoring, I love that. Whenever there's a car in my blind spot, a little light in the mirror comes on. Because if you can't tell by looking at this car, there's a whole lot of blind spot in this car. Oh, I'm so ready to go home. This should be Broadway. Nope, it's Southern, but close enough. Come on, get out there. beautiful day. 82 degrees, sun shining. We actually had historic rain the other day. It had only rained one other time since Arizona started recording rainfall in on June 1st. If you can't tell, I am beat tired. And when I get tired, my brain starts to shut off. Whee! Holy shit. Nice taco. That beeping was lane keep assist. Letting me know that I was crossing the lane. And if I'd have let go of the steering wheel, the car would have stayed in the lane. Like I said prior, this car can almost drive itself. And I know that trips everybody out. But here's something. Why does it trip you out about self-driving cars? When every single time you've flown on an airplane, the airplane was flying itself via autopilot. But everybody's like, oh my God, oh my God. Because I bet within the next 20 years, it will all be self-driving cars. Everything. I already did a video like a year ago about self-driving people movers. Basically a box with 4 wheels on it. Because all it's going to take is for us to get another Democrat president that is going to make Biden look like a saint. And they're going to implement everything that Canada's doing. Phase out cars out over a certain age and no lip kits on trucks. And I know somebody's going to say, yeah, but they can't stop me from driving my old such and such. Well, actually, they can. By not giving you insurance, not giving you a license plate, and if you're caught driving it, they impound it. Ooh, somebody graduated. Congratulations. Of course, every year I see pictures on social media of strip clubs, and now they're saying, now hiring class of 2025. And of course, all the prudes on there are like, oh my God, why would they put that up? Because you prudes out there, you can make a lot of money being a stripper. And all you got to be is 18 years old. That means that if you graduated this year, you're 18 years old. You're an adult. You want to go shake your tatas at a strip club? You can go do it. And it's always parents that are like, we never did that. Really? Come on now. Don't ever tell your kids, oh, we never did that. We never had premarital sex. They can do the freaking math. Oh, you were married in June and I was born in October. Yeah, there ain't 9 months between June and October. Come on now. Stop being a prude. My daughter was, I think, 16, and she asked me if she could get her tongue pierced. And I'm like, yeah, fine. But I also told her, you start failing in school, I'll take that tongue ring out myself. My daughter ended up graduating high school a year early with honors. And now she's a medical assistant for a cardiologist. Covered head to toe in tattoos, gauged out ears. She's got 2 kids, got a man that loves her, got a house. So stop being a prude and judging people by how they look and what they do. And on that note, thanks for watching.